Here we have a fault to diagnose. I'll turn the ignition on, I'll show you the fault. There's no oil pressure switch light coming on. So the first thing we have to do, first place I want to look is in the oil pressure switch, which is behind this panel. So I'll get the panel off. So 5 screws to get the panel off, and there is the oil pressure switch. First thing I'm going to check is that wire. I'm going to ground that wire, see if if it's the switch or if it's the wire itself or the bulb. It's easier than taking all that nonsense off at the front and getting into the wires behind there and checking the bulb behind there. So what I'll do is I'll just check, I'll take that wire off there and ground it. Right, so I've turned the ignition back on, and what I'll do is I'll ground that wire, and you can see the lights coming on, so it's the switch. I'll show you what I did, just ground it against the exhaust. You can see that, not very good light, but I've ground it against the exhaust. So it looks like I need, where's the light going off? There we go. Oh, flashing. Strobe. What's going on? There we go. So that's the oil pressure switch there. So I need to either inspect that, clean it, or just order a new one.